So for this lesson, we're going to learn how to rewrite linear equations in standard form. So we're going to explain what the standard form of linear equations is, and then we'll talk about the steps that we need to follow to rewrite linear equations in standard form, and then we'll do some examples together. So what is the standard form of linear equations? Simply put, if your equation is written in this form, ax plus by equal to c, we have an equation in standard form. And we have to also remember here that a, b, and c have to be integers, which simply means they can be positive or negative, quote-unquote, whole numbers. So you could have any number that is positive or negative. You cannot have no fractions, no decimals with this form of linear equations. So how do we go about rewriting linear equations in standard form? The first thing we want to do is rearrange the variables on one side of the equation. So you want to make sure that you move all the variables to one side of the equation, and then we move the constant or the numbers to the other side of the equation. Now, because we cannot allow fractions, if you have any type of fraction, you have to multiply all the terms in that equation by the least common denominator of the fractions. That's the easiest way to put it, but we'll do some examples, and then we want to rearrange. Once we're done, we want to arrange the equation so it looks like this format, which is ax plus by equal to c. So let's see how we put all of this to practice. Okay, so write the equation below in standard form, y equal to 4x minus 7. So the first thing we're going to do is to move all the variables to one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So I have y minus 4x equal to negative 7. So we can see here that all the variables are on one side and all the constants are on the other side, or the constant is on the other side. So what you're going to now do is you have to remember that this is the format we're looking for, ax plus by equal to c. So I'm just going to rearrange. So I'm going to have negative 4x plus y equal to negative 7. So that is our equation in standard form. Let's write the second one in standard form. So we have move the variable to the other side with x. So we have 4x minus 5y equal to 11. So we have, then we're just going to rearrange. We're arranging to ax plus by equal to c. So here we don't need to rearrange anything because it's perfectly written already. Let's go to the next example. Write the equation below in standard form. So we're going to go ahead and move all the variables to one side. So I'm going to subtract 3 over 4x here. Subtract 3 over 4x. So we have y minus 3 over 4x equal to negative 4. So now we're going to go ahead and so we have a fraction here. So there's just one fraction. So when we have a single fraction, we're going to multiply every single term by the denominator of that fraction. So what that simply means is the denominator here is 4. So I'm going to have 4 multiplied by y minus 4 multiplied by 3 over 4x equal to negative 4 multiplied by 4. Or we can say 4 multiplied by negative 4. So here we have 4y minus 4 multiplied by 3, 12 divided by 4. Sorry, 4 multiplied by 3, 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So this is minus 3x equal to negative 16. And then we have to aim for ax plus by equal to c. So this is going to be negative 3x plus 4y equal to negative 16. The next example, we have 1/2 y minus 1/3 x minus, 1/2 y is equal to 1/3 x minus 2. So we subtract 1/3 x from both sides. So we have 1/2 y minus 1/3 x equal to -2. This is x here. And so we have fractions here. We have denominator of 2, denominator of 3. Simply put, you can see that that's going to give you a least common denominator of 6, which is 2 multiplied by 3, because the numbers have no direct relationship with each other. So we're going to multiply everything by 6. So we say 6 multiplied by 1/2 y minus 6 multiplied by 1/3 x equal to 6 multiplied by -2. So this is going to be 3y minus 2x equal to -12. And then we're going to rewrite this as ax plus by equal to c. So this is going to be -2x plus 3y equal to -12. And that is going to give us our answer for this equation expressed in standard form. So let's do one final example. So we have 3 multiplied by 2x minus y equal to 2 over 5x minus 9. So we're going to first go ahead and distribute the 3 into the parentheses. So we have 6x minus 3y equal to 2/5 x minus 9. So what we can do here, because you probably don't want to deal with subtracting fractions and all of that, so we have a denominator of 5. So why don't we go ahead and multiply every single term here by 5. So 5 multiplied by 6x minus 5 multiplied by 3y equal to 5 multiplied by 2 over 5x minus 5 multiplied by 9. So this is going to be 30x minus 15y equal to 2x, 5 multiplied by 2, 10 divided by 5, 2, minus 45. So now we can go ahead and move the 2x to the same side as the other variables. So we subtract 2x here, subtract 2x. So we have 28x minus 15y equal to -45. And it's already written in the form ax plus by equal to c. So this is the final equation that shows this original equation we were given in standard form. So just remember, whenever you're dealing with this type of problem, you want to first make sure that you move all the variables to one side and you move the constant to the other side. If they are fractions, get rid of the fractions, and then when you're done with your computation, or you're done moving your variables and constant around, you want to make sure that you're writing your expression in the form ax plus by equal to c.